How's it going, guys? My name is Alex Pizarro, and here it is. You guys been waiting for. Like I said, I was gonna have it, and here it is. EOS R6. Now it's time to do some real world test reviews. I'm definitely gonna test out 4K 60, low light, anything else that I can think of. But those are the major ones that I need to do for my type of work. So for that being said, let's go ahead and do the unboxing right now. Okay guys, so here we go. Here's the unboxing. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So excited to have this camera. We have the instructions, warranty information here, instructions manual. We got the strap, the EOS R6 neck strap, and then we have the LP E6NH. I said that correctly. I think I did. And then we have the battery charger. And then since I got the kit, or with the kit lens for the 24-105, let's get that lens out there. Oh, there it is. Okay, so there we have it. Here we go. We got the. Let me go ahead and get that out for you guys. There it is. All right, so we got that. My first RF lens, which is again 24-105. So there it is. And let's put that away right here. But we came to see the real star of the show, which is the R6. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, you gotta hear that. Brand new. And there it is. EOS R6. So happy, guys. So that's basically it. There's nothing else in the box. But overall, the grip, I mean, the grip is amazing. I love this grip. So I'm definitely gonna do a lot of tests with this camera. But it's gonna be amazing, guys. I am so happy to have received this camera. Okay, so I wanted to test something out really quick before I start doing real world review tests. Here's the RF, EF to RF. RF to E. This is the RF to EF mount, the adapter for the EOS R, but I'm definitely gonna test this out right now. So I got the R6. Now I'm gonna put this on. Let's see how nice it looks. Clicks. Oh, there you go, it clicked. So there it is. Not much of a space here, but it looks really good. Now I'm gonna add my 25, because I have an EF 24-70. Let me get that really quick to show you guys. All right, so now we got that, and now we're gonna put it in there. All right. Oh, there you go. I heard the click. There it is. So that's with a 24-70 version 2. It's not bad at all, but it does make it look so professional. I love the feel of it. Like this grip, guys, again, it just feels so good. It's not bad at all. So let's see. I want to see the screen. All right, and there's the screen. So you can see that. There you go. Okay, guys, so there it is. There's the unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe and like on my channel, and turn that notification on, because there will be some real tests coming up, and then real results here. Okay, I mainly will be shooting the R6 purposely for weddings, and I have one coming up, and so I'm definitely excited to test out the features and let you guys know if it is definitely worth it for the type of work I do. So again, stay tuned, and then we'll definitely catch you on the next one. See you guys.